Touchsmart. Touchsmart Tx2 1024CA, the Canadian version. In this video, I'll be showing you what it looks like when you first boot up an HP Touchsmart. This is my very first time booting it up, so no fake stuff. You'll actually see what it looks like when an amateur boots up one of these suckers. Alright, so as you can see, right now, the computer looks like it's on, but it is not. It's deceptive. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lights on, and the computer is not on. So, because this computer is so confusing, I've got my user manual, which I will not be using. Alright, so we will not be using the manual. What we will be doing is turning on the laptop. So, as you can see, lights are on, but it is not on. So, here's the switch. And now it's on. So, we'll see how fast this thing is. Loading Windows Vista. Apparently on these laptops, the Tiron 2x 64-bit is a very good and efficient processor, as you can see with the Energy Star. That was part of the reason that I bought the computer, was because it has had that particular processor. And I guess we'll see how fast that processor can start up the computer. It should help also that it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. But just like any startup, for the first time it takes a little bit longer, so here is the mouse. Touchscreen is not activated yet. Very sad. But I'm sure it will. Let's see. There is the hard disk light right there. You can see that it's working. Might be taking just a little bit longer than a regular PC to start up. Maybe going through some kind of process. So while it's doing that, I think I'll point out a few other features of this laptop. 2 microphones, so you can have like the panning effect as you talk. Oh, there it's starting up. And built-in webcam, as always. Home Premium. Multi-language. My language is English, because I speak American, as the Americans say. Canada. I guess it's a good guesser. Keyboard layout, US, because we do not do things much different. Oh, and I'll take a minute to read this. I'm a speed reader, by the way. Alright, and right to the end of that. Read the entire thing. Yes. And I indeed agree. I think I'll be back And we're back. Just going through the menus, I just entered my password and named my computer. I think for now, well, you can ask me later. Saskatchewan time. Because we have our own time zone. Right here in the bushes. And now it thinks. It has a nice color theme, I guess. Just like all HP stuff, it has its own customized things in the setup. The computer itself is actually fairly light, but considered heavy for a tablet PC. So, you know, you're getting a full PC. So some people who complain about the weight, really, because you're getting a full PC plus a tablet PC, the weight is, I would imagine, or in my view, is very good. I guess the computer's testing performance right now. It does seem to be a little bit slow, but it is Windows Vista. Windows 7 will be coming sometime in the future. And I think we're going to go into intermission. Yeah, this computer is taking a little bit longer. Maybe some more calibrations. Oh, there it's going. And while we're at it, I should show you one thing that I forgot in the other videos. The tether. The tether was one of the harder things that I found to connect. It is connected to the pen here. And once you get it through far enough, you can pick at it with one of the twist ties to get it out of that little hole there. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's the string right there. And once you get it in there, you have to find yourself a twist tie. And much easier two-handed. You gotta pick it out. So since I already have it picked out, I'm just going to use my nail. As you can see. It's starting. And you just slide the pen through. The entire pen. You can do this in whatever order you want. It's probably easier the way they say it on the box. But I don't read instructions. Yep, straighten that out later. So, looks like it started for the first time. I've got an option to swipe my finger, which I haven't set up yet, or log in. So, I'll just quickly type in my password. Excuse me.